So today is a big day today for the GLI. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I gotta clean the garage and whatnot. I gotta put wheels on because today is the day the car goes to the auto body shop to get the engine bay painted. I've been waiting for this time for so long. As you guys know, it's been sitting like this for like, geez, I don't even know how long, maybe over a year. So that's finally getting painted. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, maybe like a week or two. I also got a bunch of parts coming in from ECS Tuning that I ordered. So like I said, we're getting things moving. Hopefully this thing's running in like the next month, which would be awesome. Today I actually am filming this video with no microphone. So as you guys know, I've had audio issues. I just want to see how this is going to help, if it helps at all. But yeah, I think I might need to buy a new camera. So I'm not going to be cleaning the whole garage. It's kind of pointless right now while the car's in here. I just had to move some stuff around and make it so I could actually push it out, because if I didn't do that, damn. That side was a mess. Would have scratched up the whole side of the car. So now that everything's clear and out of the way, I think I'm good to put my wheel on. I had the wheel off the car for a little bit, or for a while, because I had to weld in my frame notch that I did over there. As you guys can see, I did not get to that yet. Body shop's doing that for me, so that's good. But damn, this thing's gonna look so damn good when it's painted. So the wheels are now on the car. The axles are actually off the car now. Now we got to, since my car doesn't have an engine or a battery, jump, basically run jumper cables from his car to the power cables here to power up the airbag system, to air up the back, and then push it out. It's a whole process, but it's something we gotta do. Alright, so I got power to the car. As you can hear, air compressors are kicking out. It's a little ghetto, but it works. Look at all the car parts in here. These nice seats. Filming on the iPhone. My camera died. Damn, this thing is dirty. Off the paint, I think actually. I'm gonna wash it because this thing is nasty. So dirty. I don't know how this is on the iPhone, but now I get to wash the car. So I'm sitting in my car right now because, like I said, I don't have a mic and it's a little windy out. I went to the store, I picked up some spray wax, some microfibers. Frank's gonna give me a hand with this.
Yo, what's good? Oh my god.
Did you shut your foot in the door?
No, I fucking fell back in the seat.
How are these seats? Imagine I had the seats bolted like that.
Mad comfortable.
Anyway, so we're gonna wipe down the car real quick. I'll get a quick time lapse. This thing's dirty. I don't want to go into the body shop with dicks all over it. But yeah, it's almost there. What do you think?
We're gonna get this job done quick.
Hopefully. It's gonna be started in 1 month. Mark my words. Oh, I can't get out of the seat.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
It's so cold out here. My car looks a lot cleaner than it did before, as you guys can see.
Thing's like a mirror now.
It really is. Look at that, guys. Oh, it is a fucking mirror. Look at that. Nice. So we're pretty much ready to go. Just waiting for the tow truck to get here to pick it up. I'm fucking excited. It's been too long. Alright guys, so it is the second day. As you guys can see, the car is still here. We had some issues with getting it picked up yesterday. The body shop is picking it up on their tow truck, and they got stuck doing a couple other things. So we're a little behind. That's alright. They are coming today at some point, hopefully. But right now, my dad's here. We're just checking out the rear bags. Like, the rear bags have a little bit of a leak, so when the car sits for a while, it airs down, then you can't roll it. And for ease for us and the body shop, we're going into the bottom of the frame, and we're going to be putting pipes in there just to hold it up, so it's easier to transport. That's what we're doing right now, and then hopefully it's off to the body shop. Looks like everything went to plan over here. The car is now off the ground. It's a roller. It will roll without needing to air it up, so that's good. It's going to make transporting easier for the body shop, for me pushing in and out of the garage and whatnot. But I really don't want it to go to the body shop with all of that stuff in there. So what I'm actually going to do in a little bit is clean this out, get her more ready, even more ready to go to the body shop, and let's get her painted. I can't wait. Now to clean up this damn mess. Alright, I think we're good. It's a lot better. Alright, so I actually got the tow truck following behind me now. It's just about time for the Jetta to go to paint. Hopefully when they see it, they're cool with the work they gotta do, because there's a little bit of body work that still needs to be done. And then she's off. Hopefully it only takes like a week or two. There she is. Going back to the body shop now to discuss some of the work that we're going to be doing. Damn, the first time this car has been on the road in 2 years.
A bunch of squirrels are trying to get at that thing.
So you saw it. The car is gone. It's at the body shop. It's in good hands. I picked out the color. You guys will see that in a future video, not right now. And as you can see, this garage is clean, kind of. And now I gotta organize all my stuff because I got a lot of work to do. I got parts coming in, car's coming back soon. I gotta put a lot of stuff together. It's crunch time. Video after video after video. From here on out, I promise you guys that. I got a lot of work to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, like always, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the channel, and subscribe even if you don't. Just, you know, I need those numbers to go up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There will be updates on the website soon. Merchandise is coming in the next 2 weeks, so you guys will like what I got coming out. I think it's pretty cool. It's unique. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Chains on shining, you can see me riding.